What's up, Leon? What's up, my bro? How are you, my dude? What's up, Nimbus? How was your dinner with friends yesterday, my guy? What's up, Google? Thanks for your message. No worries, Leon. Yeah, I'll get back to you soon, bro. I will get back to you soon, Leon. Yeah, all the old school here, all the old school. Leon, Google, Nimbus. Leon, you becoming a part of the old school as well, bro. Take your time. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, bro. I did have a never mind. How do you find the VIP videos, Leon? Are they helpful, or would you prefer something else? $2288, the level from earlier, yeah, that's only during pre-learning session. So we are well and truly into London Open now. Yeah, so that setup is no longer valid. Like I said, in the analysis, it's just pre-London, right? Where is it? Well, yeah, I usually put pre-London session, right? So yeah, I was just asking how you find the VIP, Leon. What do you think about the videos? Do you would you like any other things to be added to the VIP? Do you find the videos helpful, like the market updates? I've just added a suggestions app into the VIP on WAP. So if you go on there, you'll be able to open this and type in any suggestions that you have for the VIP, right? If you want to see anything else. But yeah, I'm a bit sick today, guys. I'm a bit sick, man. Woke up this morning feeling rough. My daughter has caught something from daycare. There was like 30 children that was off daycare last week that were all sick, and my daughter's caught it, and then she's passed it to my wife, and now my wife has passed it to me. So yeah, I'm not feeling too good, but we're here, we are live, and we are going to we're gonna, you know, keep it going. Nimbus, it was good. Haven't seen them in a while. That's good, man. What did you end up eating? First time we were all off on the same day here. Market update, a very good way to start the day here in Europe. Yeah, that's good, bro. That's good. Yo, HMI, thank you for the follow over on TikTok. I appreciate you. MCD, what? McDonald's? Is that McDonald's? Any other suggestions, Leon, for the VIP that you would like to see? Nice, bro. No, you can't beat a McDonald's every now and then. Yeah, so let me just add the TikTok chat over here as well to the stream so you guys can see. Yeah, so in the VIP, I will be uploading like, you know, educational content. And yeah, if you think like, so what you're saying, like on a Sunday, like a Sunday prep for like Monday, for like the week ahead. I just entered a short. Very nice. I might be wrong, but that's a long. What's a long? I do. Okay, yeah. I can do that, Leon. Do I have any partnerships with brokers? No, I don't. Which broker? Which broker do you work in? Yeah, so Leon, go to what? And then if you have any other suggestions, you'll find this little suggestions app right here. And you can put all your suggestions in there and I'll have a look. TMGM? We sponsor Chelsea FC. I've never heard of TMGM, to be honest with you. What are the spreads like? Yeah. Hit me up on Instagram, bro. It's Forex with Cody. What's the best session to trade? Best session to trade is, well, me personally, I trade pre-London session. And best session to trade for you is whichever session suits you time wise, right? Whichever, depending on when is the morning for you, when is night, when is 1 a.m, right? It all depends on where you are and what suits you the best. But the best sessions to trade gold, I would say, well, the best session to trade gold is New York session. What the fuck session is on right now? London session, Zeb. Exotic sessions? This is London session, bro. This is mid-London session. When do big movements happen? Big movements on gold, particularly New York session, like New York Open. No worries, Zeb. Yeah, this is London. If something asked you to change your candles to white and brown, would you? Please don't do it. It's ugly. White and brown? White and brown? What the hell? No. Why? Why'd you ask, Nimbus? Yeah, IGC, big movements. Mostly on gold, I would say during New York session or New York Open. Are you waiting for a breakup? No, I've missed my setup for today during pre-London session. But there's potential sales below this level right here, 2267,715. I'd say this gap, this range right here, it's about a 38 pip range. It's decent depending on where this, where a 5-minute candle can close below. Leon over here advertising the VIP. Let's go, Leon. I was curious if someone would actually make that suggestion in your new oh yeah, if they made okay, I understand where you're coming from here. You're talking about the suggestions. I would say hell no. Ryan Callis, thank you for the follow on TikTok. I appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. There we go. We just got a message from Milan in the Instagram DM asking and talking about brokers. I can't see your message though, for some reason. Oh, you sent me a message on Facebook. Sir, me small scalp gold. Check message request. I think you sent it to me on Facebook, man, but that's all good. I'll reply to that later after the stream. Milan. Nice, Leon. Let's go. What is the closest to your strategy in terms of ICT retail? Price action, Zeb. Price action for sure. Do I trade breakouts? Yeah, Besh. Trade breakouts. What's up, Besh? Welcome back. But yeah, price action, Zeb. I don't trade ICT, SMC, support resistance, Fibonacci, any of that shit, order blocks. Yeah, I literally just trade breakouts of key levels from specific timeframes. But yeah, Leon, the strategy as well. Like I know it's called X. I only trade gold, and it's called XAU Academy, etc. But this strategy can be applied to most, if not all, Forex pairs, right? Indices, Forex, gold. I would say maybe not crypto. And I don't know. I've never really day traded crypto, but it can be used across the board, not just on gold. Do you know FTMO, the prop firm? Yeah. Valkyrie, appreciate the follow. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Do I click data on your trades? Yeah, all in here, all in the journal, Besh. It's all in my trading journal right here. So let me just go like this. So yeah, this is my trading journal, right? I take down all the trades, buy, sell, what kind of setup it is, entry type, time frame used, whether it's full or half risk, the lot size that I used, the pips gained or lost, win or loss, the amount of profit or negative, the percentage gain or loss, and the total account balance after that. So yeah, it's all journaled in my trading journal. Every single trade. Price action will work on a higher time frame. Yeah, for sure. Google. Cool and relaxed every day for watching the market. Yes, then back and daily testing DAX 40. Nice. Is it a good idea to have a checklist strategy and just follow that? Yeah, for sure, Maze. Like a trading plan, a checklist. For sure, that's going to help you. And I appreciate the follow, bro. Welcome to the TikTok gang. It just created the double top pattern. Should we enter? I'm not personally entering, but if you trade double tops, then go for it. What's up, Ty? Howdy. What's your opinion on the validity of trading internal and external liquidity? What do you mean by that, Zeb? Internal and external liquidity? Indicators. Do I use indicators? Is that what you said, Jota? No, I don't. Thank you for the follow, Jota. What's your win rate average? Risk reward. My win rate so far for this year. So all the stats are in here as well. My win rate so far for this year. So since January 1st, 45 wins, 30 losses, a 60% win rate, 148.52% account gain. So since the start of the year, I've made 148% on my account, a total of 300 or so pips profit. Yeah. So it's an average win rate. It's not like I have a very high win rate, but I've grew this account 148%. So from 10k to 35,000. Yo, lots of follows coming in over here on the TikTok. Let's go. Sam Moet, Mayoa, DZT. Appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for the follow. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Thomas as well. What's your biggest tips for beginners, like mistakes and habits to avoid? My biggest tips would be trade one pair, one setup during one session, right? That's going to be my tips for new beginners, right? So one pair, one setup during one session. And you're going to see your, your discipline, your profitability. You're going to see that skyrocket. How much do I have to lose before consistently winning? Wow, that's a great question. It just depends per person, Yeah, the realistic TX answered that as well. It depends on you. You can't guarantee a win. Yeah, I agree. So trading the movement from external liquidity sweeps from previous highs to yeah, I have no idea what that is, Zeb. I just trade price action, right? So I trade weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 5 minute chart. I look for current trends, right? So short term, Not necessarily long-term trends, but short-term trends based on the most recent price action from the last couple of days. And I look to get in on breaks of key levels with momentum from the daily and the 4 hour, with entries on the 1 hour or the 5 minute. Yeah, appreciate all the follows, guys. Appreciate all the follows over on TikTok. Zigzag as well. What's your strategy? Price action, Mayowa. Price action. Very simple. You trade liquidity, yeah. So liquidity, Adriano, yeah. Liquidity, momentum, volume, right? It's about pinpointing the volume and momentum when it comes into the market, and for me, that's during pre-London session. Demo is not good to learn because yeah, I agree. Realistic, I agree. What's up, Aaron? Good to see you back. Guys, we are live on YouTube as well. If you want to come over to the YouTube channel, it is Forex with Cody on YouTube. If you want to see the whole screen, bit better viewing experience. Google? If you have MT5, check 6, 8, or 12 hour chart with Cody's Magic. Six, 8, or 12 hour chart. Okay, interesting. You're an FP markets are wondering what's more beneficial, raw. Aaron, definitely the raw account. That's going to give you much better spreads. You are gonna pay a little bit of commission on that, but it's going to give you much better spreads. How are you trading liquidity if you're not using DOM? I have no idea what DOM is. Are we buying gold? Is it going up? Any movement? If you have a look at the chart, Cali, it says potential sales below 2267.715. This is based on you can clearly see that price on the 5 minute here, so it's not as accurate, but you can see a very nice sudden move to the downside. You can see a lot of volume coming into the market here, direction, momentum, and of course we have a small pullback. So again, the market tends to move in an up and down or down and up motion. So we've had a down move, we've pulled back, and now there's potential continued bearish here below 2267.715, in my opinion. Guys, thank you for all the follows, man. You guys are crazy. You're going crazy on TikTok. I appreciate you. World 24/7 AK Life, welcome to the TikTok gang. It's $3 commission, yeah, per lot size. What broker do you use? FP Markets. It's the order book. Oh, I've never heard of that, ref. Never heard of that before, man. That's interesting though, for sure. Anyone else ever heard of the DOM, the DOM, depth of market? Austin Benimro, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Why don't you do a quick small lot sell? Because none of my criteria has been met for a sell trade yet. Ishmael. Do you trade in the UK? I'm from the UK, Sonny, but I'm currently living in Australia. What brokerage do you use? Seal. I use FP Markets. How do I know how much money I'm putting on in MT4? I don't really understand what the lots or pips do. So lots, you can calculate your lot size, pure pressure, on a position size calculator. So if you just go into Google and you put in position size calculator, right, you're going to get this one that's going to show up first of all on my FX book. Definitely, I would recommend using this one. This is probably one of the best ones. Sorry, you guys on TikTok, you can't see that. But yeah, definitely use my FX book. Put in all your account, your account size, leverage. Put in your stop loss size in pips, and then it's going to give you. It's going to based off your account size and pips. It's going to give you a lot size that is recommended to you. I'm a Melbourne, Zeb. Melbourne, bro. Janik, thank you for the follow. See a quick drop. Are you going to hold before buying? Ishmael, I'm not looking at buys, bro. Like, I don't know where you've got this into your head that I'm looking for buys, but I'm not looking for buys, and I'm not looking for sells until price comes below this level. I also had a question. If you used MT4, MT5, I was wondering why it seems so outdated. But yeah, MT5, yeah, I mean, the app isn't the best looking, you know. There is a lot better trade apps out there for trading, like C Trader, or I think there's a few new ones like DX Trade or Trade Locker. They're definitely a bit more, you know, easy on the eyes. But MT5 has been around in this industry for a very long time. The servers for the MT5, you know, the app are really good. And if you're using a good broker, you're going to get instant, you know, market execution. Your orders are going to, you know, get instantly executed, and you're not going to have much delay or ping or anything like that. So MT5 and MT4 is solid because it's been around for so long, but there is other apps to use as well. Zachariah, thank you for the follow. You only use sell? No, I don't only use sell, but for today, I'm only looking at sell currently during London to New York session. Ben, thank you for the follow. What's the app that always goes order filled? That is C Trader, I believe. IGC. I'm pretty sure that's C Trader. You with a broker called Forex.com? Very nice. I've never been with that broker, but I have heard of them. Don't let me change it. Don't change it then. Yeah, keep using MT5, Aaron. That's what most people in the industry use. There has been a you know, a bit of a change up in the industry recently with MT5 because you know, a lot of, I don't know the exact details, but yeah, that's why a lot of new apps and trading platforms are coming out at the moment. JK going up, we'll see. At the moment, it's looking pretty bearish to me. You promote an easy way to watch and trade any market we like. Anyone can try if they come to the live stream and focus at your analysis. Yeah, exactly, Leon. Exactly, bro. Leon always showing love over in the YouTube channel. Nimbus, have you taken any trades, bro, yesterday? Do you trade futures? No, I don't trade futures, man. But I am interested in futures for sure. How many strategies did you burn through before finding this one? And are you set on it? Oh, I burned through a lot of strategies. A lot. Same as everybody else, right? Looking at all different indicators. Trying out different strategies. Buying different courses. I bought a few different courses when I first started trading. But I found this one basically, you know, I was just fed up with all the crap that I was getting fed through YouTube, through all these courses and different Instagram pages and mentors, and just none of it was working for me. So I just decided to, you know, focus on the most important thing in trading, which is the candles, right? Because without the candles, without the chart, there would be no such thing as trading, right? So, or Forex trading or trading a certain pair if we couldn't look at each candle. So I decided to just focus on price action, learning how to read each candle from each time frame, learning how they all combine and gel together to give you an outlook on the market each day, and then how I can, you know, go about entering a trade. So that's how I came to this strategy, and I'm 100% set on it. I've been using it for, you know, a few years now, and it's simple but very effective. Pinky, thank you for the follow. User, thank you for the follow. Vast Designs, Matty Kenneth, and can't pronounce that name. Thank you for the follows. Naf, thank you for the follows. Naz, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you guys. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Good thing about MT5 is you can make multiple orders and close all at once. Yeah, I agree. JK. I really like MT5. I mean, there's been a lot of people moving on to different platforms recently, but I'm still with MT5. I still really like it. It just works. It works really well, you know, and you shouldn't try and fix what isn't broken, basically. Saraj Andronik, thank you for the follows. What? Pure price action? Yeah, pure price action, bro. Just pure price action. A few lines, that's it. That's why many new follows every day, and also you answer any question. Yeah. I took 2 yesterday. Haven't taken 1 yet today. How was the trade yesterday, Nimbus? Short term doesn't work. Only buy October, sell in April. Every year, can't lose. That's an interesting approach, Mikey. Annie Baby, thank you for the follow. Buy now, 2279 TP. Interesting. Give us some analysis on that, Gabriel. What's the analysis on that, bro? That's what we're all here for. Can you partially close orders on MT5? Like, say you hit an... Yeah, you can close partials on MT5, Aaron. You're going to buy 2270, Kabindra? 2270. Okay, very nice. We've got a few people looking to buy gold right here. Both wins for me. Haven't lost since the 28th. I'm joining you on that winning streak, Cody. Holy. Let's go, Nimbus. 2 wins. I have a sell stop order below. Below where? The market's crazy. What did you say? The market's crazy. A strong bearish candle and then reverse. Yeah. I mean, you know, this is only the 5-minute time frame, IGC. So, you know, you really want to make sure you're looking at the overall bigger picture still. And, you know, this is one of the reasons I'm looking at potential sells here, because you can see the volume, the bullish volume starting to die down over here. You can see these 2 bullish candles, right? Very strong rejection wicks to this resistance level. And then you can see a massive bearish engulfing 4-hour candle closure, right? So this is a lot of momentum and volume within this bearish candle. So that's given me a slight kind of interest in the sells below this resistance, but it is a pretty small range, I would say. It's not pretty small. It's around about a, you know, a 38 pip range, which is decent. It just depends where price closes below this level. If it closes all the way down here, then it's obviously, that's going to take the range, you know, a lot smaller. It's only going to be like a, you know, a 16, 17 pip range. But if you can get, you know, if it does close just below this level somewhere here, that still gives us a nice range of, you know, 30 or so pips, which is nice. So let's just wait and see. If these lot think it's going to be a buy, it's definitely going to be a sell. Exactly, Reese. Exactly. What's your average lot size, leverage, and pips for take profit? Average lot size. So I only use 1 lot size. I always use a, well, 2. I either use a 5 lot size, or if I have a much larger stop loss, then I'll use a 2.5. I'll half it. So either 5 or 2.5 at the moment. What confirmation do you use? Closures below key levels, Hayden. Closures below key levels. How do I measure pips in TradingView? So you get this price range tool over here, or it's in, where is it? Where's the price range tool? Here? No, it would be in here. Yeah, so you go to projection, this one over here. Oh, you can't see that, you're on TikTok. But yeah, it's called the price range tool. Oh, what did I just do? IGC. So you just click the price range tool, and then you just drag it out, and you can measure the pips right here. So on gold, you always move the decimal point 1 to the left, right? So here it says 230, where in reality that is 23 pips. I'm going to buy now until 2275 and sell later. Okay. Does anyone know if xauusd is going back up to 3? What? My leverage. I got my leverage at 1,500. Very nice. Does anyone know anything about xauusd? What the? Teach me how to win, Nimi. Yes, Nimi. Teach him how to win and buy him a PS5 as well. 3 soldiers forming. Close below key levels, which time frame candle? So key levels can be taken from, you know, I take them from the weekly, the daily, or the 4 hour. And then I look for entries either on the 1 hour or 5 minute. I'm a man that almost blew his account after being greedy with profit entertainment. Damn. What happened, bro? With the current state of gold, anything can happen if don't respect anything. Yeah. Anything can always happen with gold. You guys know that. That's why I love it. That's why I love it. I wouldn't say it's unpredictable. But, you know, anything can happen. How do you spot key levels? Just look where price is interacting with Ace FX. I know that's a very general answer because, you know, if you look at a chart and 10 other people look at a chart, they're most likely going to draw all different levels, but you just have to go on what catches your eye, right? From each time frame. Max risk management for each trade. Max risk management. You're talking about the max. Why can't I say that? The max risk per trade. Is that what you're talking about? Can I enter now? Oh my gosh. I'm currently in a buy 2281. Hopefully I get out before news. What news we got coming up today? What news we got coming up today, boys? Probably check that. Bullish on gold today? Okay, yeah. I mean, looking at the daily time frame, looking at the weekly and daily. If we take a look at yesterday's daily candle, this is yesterday's daily candle right here. You know, gold is on a serious mission somewhere to the moon, probably. Creating all-time highs, and it's not stopping, right? It's literally not stopping. We've had higher lows being formed here ever since 25th of March, basically, and you know, price hasn't broken any key structure to the downside. So yeah, gold is of course from the higher time frame is very bullish. I'm just trying to capture more of a short-term move, right, with sales below here based on current 4-hour price action, break of structure, low volume 4-hour candles, low volume bullish 4-hour candles, high volume bearish candles, bearish engulfing candle, breaking lows, rejecting a resistance. You know, I'm just trying to capture a short-term move. This is my strategy, right? This is my trading plan. And guess what? If price doesn't come down below 2267,715, then I'm not taking any trades, right? Very simple. Very simple. Yeah, thank you for all the follows, guys. I appreciate you. Adrian, Matt, Elizabeth, Preston, Will, Harley, Samantha, MGO. Appreciate you guys. Non-farm isn't today. Non-farm is Friday. Not NFP is first Friday of the month. First Friday of the month. Let's have a look at Forex Factory. Oh, the non-farm factory PMI. Okay. Employment change. 11:15. That's gone up tonight. Okay, but yeah, actual NFP on Friday. Yeah, but ADP, NFP, NF employment change. Yeah, okay, that's coming up. That's not till 11:15, so we've still got a few hours yet. 3 red folder news spanning over a few hours. Yeah, I'm literally using Cody's strat by his VIP or learn from the stream. Exactly. Why not the PS5 Nimbus? Come on, man, be a good friend. You guys, we are live on YouTube as well. If you guys want to come over and see the full screen setup, head over to YouTube, Forex with Cody. Yo, somebody on the TikTok sending a rose. I appreciate you. Thank you for the rose. Thank you guys for all the follows. Let's get bread together. Let's go. Come on, boys. Bye. Nice. GB, thank you for the follow. S, thank you for the follow. Marvin, there is a lot of people in chat that are in buys. Yes. Would you ever build a community in Oz that isn't like teaching, but somewhere for us to connect? Yeah, 100%, Zeb. What would you recommend? I'd like to hear your thoughts on that. What would you recommend that I build or create? Yo, Tack, thank you for the follow. Mo Games GTA, thank you for the follow. What's okay saying? Cody, please put a line at 75.40. What, here? Is that what you're talking about? Is that your take profit level, JK? Like just a Discord or Facebook group people could share and ask me. Yeah, I've actually been thinking about starting a Facebook group, but I do have a Discord if you guys want to join. The only problem is I can't post it in I can't post it in here for some reason. High potential spam? No. Okay, I'll turn that off. Show comments. It doesn't let me post a link in the Discord for some reason, but I'll try posting it again. But yeah, I do have a Discord, but a Facebook group could be a good idea, bro. 100%. Which prop firm would you recommend, sir? None of them. Wait, what are you talking about? I'll buy one for me first. What, you gonna buy yourself a PS5, Nimbus? Nimbus, do you see the TikTok chat, man? It's going crazy. I can't keep up. I'm trying my best to answer everyone's questions. Telegram, yeah, I have a free Telegram. You guys can find the free Telegram in my profile. Sell or buy? At the moment, for me, nothing. Just kind of ranging in this level right here. It's consolidation. But I would potentially look at sales below here. In terms of buys, I don't even know. I wouldn't even be looking at buys at the minute personally. Khaled, thank you for the follow. Which platform broker you use? FP Markets. Where can I find your Discord group? I'll try and post a link right now, but for some reason TikTok doesn't let me post it. It always blocks it. So let's see. Let's try again. I turned off an option to block spam. So we'll see. TikTok is the favorite child? Nah, it's not. YouTube will always be my favorite child, man. I really want to grow the YouTube channel. But I know people. Oh, there you go. There's the Discord link right there. I just posted it. I'll spam it. Join it up. It's a new group. It's only a very small group at the moment. Yeah, join up. Join up. Yo, Dot, thank you for the follow. Where did you learn to trade? Basically myself, just by literally sitting in my room staring at the charts for like 15 hours a day for 4 years. Just people are more reluctant to talk in the TikTok channel than the YouTube channel for some reason. Buy? You just joined? Okay, yeah, I've seen a few people join. Like I said, it's still a very small group of you know, kind of like close friends in this Discord. So hopefully you know, we'll see how many people join. Hopefully it doesn't get blown up too much. I like it to stay small and you know, small and cozy. Nice cozy place for traders to hang out. Yeah, yeah, they didn't invest. They just see your name and they see that big spanner next to your name and they get scared, bro. They're like, holy shit, what's this guy gonna do? Yeah, see? Thomas said it. Thomas said it. You do look scary. What site view is this? What do you mean, Ryan Kelly? This is, you're talking about the chart? This is TradingView. You're still on a buy. Yo, boss man, thank you for the follow. Lulu, thank you for the follow. Expecting dollar weakness. Sell CW, sells below 2267,715 potentially. Why is everyone trading gold on here? Because gold is the place to be, Kogan. Gold is the place to be. What's the ticker? This is XAUUSD. Do I trade futures? No, but I'm very interested in trading futures actually. I've been meaning to you know, look it up and find out, you know, what all the hype is about, because I'm seeing a lot of hype about futures trading at the moment. How much money you made in Forex? Oh, I don't even know. Thousands. Nimbus, everyone just gets scared of the big tool next to your name and they're like, damn, this guy's got a blue name. He's got a big spanner next to his name. Like, he's going to do some damage. What do you trade? Mostly gold, sometimes GJ as well. What does future trading mean? Futures is a different type of trading compared to Forex clicking. It would probably be best if you Googled it, to be honest with you, rather than me trying to explain it to you. Cody, what are the important fundamentals for USD? And you're talking about the news events, the data? Lost on cacao yesterday? You're invested in cacao? God damn. I went for gold setup? Yeah, gold setup below 2267,715 potentially. Telegram channel? You'll find it in my profile, Zillion. If you go to my profile and click on the link, you'll find the free Telegram channel. If you guys want to join the Discord, I'll put the link in the chat right now. Maybe. There we go. That is the Discord link. Join up, join up. Nice. Yeah, Zeb, the Discord is a nice little small community at the moment. Okay, then I'll buy 19.99 for VIP. I'll club people with this banner. Just took a sell on XAUUSD. I'm up $3. Let's go, Yosh. Dave the Trader, thank you for the follow. I like small better for building. Yeah, exactly. That's why I keep it private, Zeb. I keep the Discord private, and I'll give it out sometimes for people to join, but I don't want it to get too saturated with people. So Is it a buy or a sell? I'm looking for sales below 2267715. Vani, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you guys, man. Rolls Royce needs a big rise. Broke even yesterday. Unusual join activity detected. Review the alert. Look, I'm getting unusual join activity from the Discord. Look at this. Because of all the people joining. What? Yo, Discord is tripping out over here, guys, because of you all joining. Yeah, you might want to turn notifications off or something, Nimbus. Or just put your phone on what's it called? Do not disturb. I think this may go up to 2-3, then reverse. 2-3, 2-3. 2-3. What are you saying that, Watchman? Because it's a key level, like a psychological level, because we've never seen gold at those prices before, so it must be for that reason, yeah. What are you trading? This is gold. What do you think of potential buying GBP CAD? Hara, I don't trade GBP CAD, so I can't really answer that question for you, unfortunately, my guy. I don't like to look at pairs that I don't trade. Just, you know, I like to stay focused on 1 or 2 pairs that I trade, and I feel that way I'm, you know, a lot more precise. This is the side of trading many people don't see, the patient side. It's called patience. Yeah, exactly. I mean, this is Milan. This is you know, this is me most of the time, and people are always coming into the TikTok chat and sometimes on YouTube, but mainly the TikTok chat, asking like, when, you know, what's happening? Like, why aren't you entering a trade? You know, why haven't you entered a trade yet? And it's very simple. Like, my criteria for an entry just hasn't been met yet. My trading plan, you know, I stick to my trading plan. I don't get impulsive. I don't get impatient. I don't get greedy. I only need, you know, the difference between having a large amount of capital when you're trading is that you don't need to look for trades every, you know, 5 minutes or every hour or even every day. You know, some weeks I'll have 1 trade a week. Some weeks I won't even have a trade. Some weeks I'll have, you know, 4 trades in a week. It all just depends, and I'm just here to wait for my setup and you know, protect my capital, and that's what's important. If I serenade you, would you consider buying the PS5? You really want that PS5, don't you, Bloody Fox? Yeah, they're new to the market. This is actually a sign of a good trader, quality over quantity. Yeah, I appreciate that, man. Appreciate that a lot. Gavin Waker, thank you for the follow. Why didn't the market open last Friday? Because it was a public holiday. So it was Good Friday, right? Which is based around Christianity. It's when Jesus was crucified, I believe. So yeah, that is a public holiday. What's your thought on Euro JPY right now? I don't trade Euro JPY, Brooke, so I can't give you thoughts on a pair that I don't trade, unfortunately. I trade gold and occasionally GJ, so I can give you my thoughts on those if you would like, but on Euro JPY, I can't do that. How do you know that those lines are potentially buys or sells? Well, this was somebody in the TikTok who asked me to put this on the chart. This isn't my zone. My zone is down here, looking at sales below here. And that is just through my analysis, through me coming to an understanding of the charts, you know, my own interpretation on my strategy. and it's based on key levels. And you know, I believe with a break below this level, that price can continue bearish. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If price never comes down to this level, I don't care. But that is the only level I'm interested in. Dude, you got my Discord. PM me privately. Yo, this is a trading channel. You're making a comedian out of us. Nah, he's good. He's good. You're good, Bloody Fox. Stories, would you put in the top percentile? So yes, that. Yes, that's good, right? Prospect sell line, where will you put a stop loss and take profit? So I wouldn't enter a trade as soon as price breaks this line. It would be with a closure below, right? So in that matter, I'd be waiting for a 5-minute closure below. And I'll be putting my stops based on previous 5-minute candles, right? And setting a take profit down at these levels down in here, which is from this one is from the daily. I'm chilling, already traded for the day. Very nice. I need your Telegram and Discord links. Telegram, you can find it in my profile. If you click that link in the profile, Khaled, you'll get my free Telegram. And if you want the Discord link, I'll post the Discord link one more time. I'll spam it up one more time. After that, nobody else can join. It is private. Well, we got suggestions in the Discord already. You guys aren't messing around. Let's have a look. Thank you guys for all the follows, man. You guys are going crazy. Roblox, AFG, OT, Shiamo. I'll get back to all the questions in the Discord after the stream. I'll get back to all you guys. But yeah, if you got the Discord link, congrats, welcome. You guys can also post analysis in this section. The share analysis section, that's for everybody to post analysis. I've just been posting my analysis in there for a while. You guys can take a look at that. But yeah. If you guys have any suggestions, what other sections you want to see in the Discord, then let me know and I'll add them as well. For show. Thank you, Cody. I like you. No worries, Bloody Fox. 777, thank you for the follow. Abdo, thank you for the follow. I'm on buy. You guys still in buys? JK, you still in a buy? How much money do you make monthly? So last month, I'll show you the trading journal in a second. Let me just go get off. I don't have my bottle of water. Sorry, guys. My throat was getting super dry from all the talking. It's better. It's getting too emotional for me right now. Any tips? What do you mean with the buyers? Just stick to your analysis, JK. If you have analysis and you have a game, you have a trading plan and a game plan, and stick to it. Believe in yourself. Believe in your strategy. Can you spit a quick freestyle for us to the background beats? Hell no. Nim, I got a question for you, a serious one this time. Oh god, what's this gonna be? More it goes down, bro, more I get nervous and panic. Yeah, well, that comes with time, bro. That's gonna come with experience and time. But like I said, if you have a game plan and a solid strategy that you're following, then you know, stick to it. If you take a loss, then it's all part of your strategy. It's all part of your plan. Move on to the next. See what you could have done better, JK. See what you could have done better, or see if there was any mistakes that you made. If not, then it's just another day in the markets. Gold will sell if you guys open time frame 1 hour and open AO at divergent sell. I'm between 800 to 1.5k down. Shit, is that real money? $5k count over leverage down. Can I refund? I bought Russia. Yeah, you have to message WAP about that. If I open 2 accounts with 100 each and bought in opposite directions, could I earn a lot of money if it changes in one direction? I mean, yeah, you could potentially, and you could also lose a lot as well. I've learned a trading setup recently, and so far off backtesting it seems decent. I still need to do a lot more testing than analysis of results, but at the moment it's winning slightly more than 50%. More than 50% is good, Squizzy. My win rate for this year so far is literally bang on 60%. Obviously it's fluctuated between like around about 61, 62%. But yeah, my win rate for this year so far is 60%. So above 50 is still good, and you know, you can see on this account I've made 148% on the account. Russia, why did you purchase it? You literally purchased it like 10 minutes ago. Can you show us your trading journal for the month? Yeah, I mean, not much this month, but I can show you it for the month of March for sure. Month of March. Where are you? TikTok right here. Month of March. So from the 3rd, which is right here, to the 8th, 3rd to the 28th. So from the 3rd to the 28th. All trades, you know, journaled in here. Let me just go like this. What do you want to see? You can see the pips over here. Total pips for March was 98 pips profit for March. 11 wins, 5 losses, a total profit of I think it's like 7,900 or something. $7,940, and a total account gain of 26.58%. What I'm worried about is it seems so simple, so I feel it isn't viable. Oh, the more simple, the better, Squizzy. The more simple, the better. Rochelle, you're gonna have to go and ask WAP about that, bro. I have no once you purchase that, I have no power over whether it gets refunded. You have to ask them. But that's great work. Yeah, thank you, man. Anyone to buy right now? Moonlight is in a sell. What's the trading you're using? You mean the strategy, Junior boy? Are you in a trade now? No, I'm not in a trade right now. Where is setup? Sales below 2267715 potentially. Ambic, Bitcoin, Simo, thank you guys for the follow. Are you in a sell? Definitely sales right now. I'm not in a sell, no. Henry, thank you for the follow. But yeah, Rusho. Rusho. What we're gonna do with you, Rusho? You purchased the VIP Telegram literally, when was it? 11 minutes ago, and now you're asking for a refund already? Like, why, bro? Why did you buy it in the first place? But you're gonna have to go speak to the WAP support. They can handle that. Would you mind me asking how much you make a day? So it's not really how much I make a day, Junior Boy. It's more so a month. That's what I go off. Because, you know, some days I don't have trades, right? Some weeks I don't have trades. So a pip in xauusd is 0.01, isn't it? So if something goes from that's 100 pips to 271 to 2272. No, that would be 10 pips. That would be 10 pips, bro. Good stocks to get in right now. I'm not sure, man. I don't really invest in stocks too much anymore. Forex, thank you for the follow. Mustafa, thank you for the follow. Zeke, thank you for the follow. How much you make with one trade? You know, anywhere from 750-ish to you know, a few thousand. Nick Rance, thank you for the follow. What's good to invest into? What do you mean in terms of like, are you talking about stocks or what? Sell gold, maybe. Below 2267715 potentially. Okay, see that. So a pip is 0.1 of a price change. Yes, I believe so. Do you trade futures? No, I don't, D. I'm actually very interested in futures though, for sure. Cows Tits, thank you for the follow. CAC, thank you for the follow. We have red folder tonight. I think another record high tonight. Yeah, maybe. It's not necessarily much of a red folder though. The real NFP comes on Friday. That is when price will actually move from NFP news. Champ, thank you for the follow. Are you in a buy or sell? No, I'm not. No, in day trading, what you think good, like Forex or crypto? Day trading, gold for sure. If you want to day trade, definitely think about trading gold. Maybe things like the indices, the Dow, or you know, S&P 500 maybe. Those are also good options. You reckon it's easy to learn to trade? I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's it can be made a lot more simple and straightforward than what most people make it out, Junior Boy, for sure. What would be your advice to someone interested and wants to learn trading? Find a good community. A community is very important. A good trading community where you can meet good trading friends. You know, have a good, you know, mentor, someone who can guide you and kind of you know, show you the ropes. Definitely go on YouTube, go on Google, try and find all the, you know, the free education as much as possible. But definitely a community. A community helped me massively. Once I joined an actual proper trading community, and I started meeting other traders and talking to them, like, you know, that helped me massively. If you went from streaming, would you just set an alarm for that sell opportunity and walk away? Yeah, 100% Tucking. If I wasn't streaming right now, like even during the day, during London session or pre-London session, I literally just set alerts on my levels, and I carry on with my day, right? Like obviously I have a daughter, I have a family. You know, we go out to the park, we go out and do stuff. So if I wasn't streaming, I definitely would not just be sitting here staring at the charts. Oh, can us YouTube boys get the Discord as well? Yeah, my bad. The Discord for the YouTube, man. You guys over on YouTube are getting a bit neglected. You know, I don't mean to. Man, please ask what you're looking for. Yeah, so sales below 2267715 MNC. Based on the most recent current price action and you know, volume in the market, we can see price trending up, right, creating higher highs, and then, you know, slight consolidation, and then we see a sharp move to the downside, a retracement, right? So often when you get a sharp move in either direction, to the upside or the downside, you'll get a retracement, and this is what Fibonacci's are used for. And not that I use Fibonacci's, but this is what Fibonacci's are used to calculate or measure. And then, you know, you get the sharp move down, showing intention in the market, showing direction, right? So price is literally showing us right here, I'm going to go to the downside, right? I'm going to start pushing to the downside. Then we have a slight retracement, like I said, a slight pullback. And then usually you'll get another continued sell-off after that. Whether we do here, let's see. It's obviously not, you know, bulletproof. It's not a given. But usually this is what happens. Rochelle, message me, bro. Message me privately. Join the Discord above, Rochelle, and message me privately. YouTube's so much better than TikTok. Yeah, the YouTube chat and the YouTube experience is obviously much better than the TikTok, but the crowds from TikTok are just crazy. I put buy, okay. I mean, as long as you have a strategy and a trading plan, Crystal, that you have lined up, then, you know, stick to your strategy, stick to your trading plan, and see it through. Do I hold my buy or stop? That's completely up to you. 270 is my first entry. 270 is your first entry for buys. Do you have a paid Telegram? Yeah, click the link in my profile, Roblox. Should I share my analysis at the Discord? Yeah, go for it, inshallah. Go for it. Share it in the analysis section, though. Share analysis section. You guys can post it now, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, definitely go for it. Get rich. Thank you for the follow. I think it's going down. They said it will reverse. Who said? Who said that, Crystal? Yo, D, thank you for the heart. Appreciate you. Buy or sell, Naz? I'm looking at sales below 2267715. Thread? Are you talking about the thread, like the Instagram company thread? Or on X? You know what, Russia? I'll message you on Telegram. What's up, Sashi? What's up, my guy? Look at you, Nimbus, with all your friends and social activities. Get well soon. I appreciate that, Nimbus. Thank you, bro. I'm actually feeling better. The stream's helping me feel better. Have I taken a trade today? No, I haven't, Jack. At first, I was looking for buys during pre-London session. When price was here in this area, I was looking for continuation buys based on, you know, these movements and this move to the upside, but yeah, didn't get buys. And then obviously the buyers for me switched. You know, the momentum switched to the downside with this move down. And then that's why now I'm looking for continuation sales. I took a sell first trade on my live. Let's go, Jack. How did it go? I'm in longs right now. Stop loss where your potential sell zone is. Very nice. Unfilled sell orders at 2278. Which exchanges do you use? FP markets. Where are you trading? Which country? I'm in Australia, Hader. Australia, mate. Gotta look crypto. How long will it take to go up to 7.7? Buy or sell today, bro? Looking at sales below 2267715. How can I deposit and withdraw? Through a broker. You got to join a broker. I use FP Markets. Look at something called Andy on Ethereum. Your Sabri and Siva, thank you for the follows. Appreciate you guys. 2282, 2273 was very very nice, bro. So did you catch this one over here? 2282. Yeah, you caught this move down here. Yeah, very nice. What was the analysis on that, Jack? Why did you enter sales? We'll follow Cody Boss. Hello, are you using OBS for your stream? Yeah, OBS. Oh, not for TikTok. Premium, not for TikTok, bro. For TikTok, I'm using the TikTok Live Studio. For YouTube, I'm using OBS. Which timeline? This is the 5-minute time frame. No name, thank you for the follow. Shinja, thank you for the follow. Cabello, thank you for the follow. Which broker are you using? FP Markets. C, thank you for the follow. What do you think, bullish or bearish? On gold, I'm thinking bearish at the moment. I'm sticking to my guns here. I'm sticking to my analysis, my bearish analysis. We'll see. Let's see how the 4 hours doing. 4 hours, still 2.5 hours left of the 4-hour time frame. Let's have a look here. News. Fed, PMI. Dwayne, thank you for the follow. Vas, Frank, thank you for the follow. I'll wait to enter a sell, hopefully around 2278 to 2281. I see waiting for a pullback, Reese. All-time high is 2250. This screen you're showing us, is that the FP thing you mentioned? This is TradingView, the screen that you're seeing right now on TikTok. On the hourly basis, I was just watching and went over, bought on the SMA, waited for clear rejection and entered sell. Oh, very nice. Very nice, Jack. Let's go, bro. $600 on your first trade. Yo, Haydar, thank you for the roses. Appreciate you, my guy. Very generous of the 12 roses. Appreciate you. Dan, thank you for the follow. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Can you go to 15-minute? This is the 15-minute. How do you know what stock to analyze and when? So this isn't a stock. This is a commodity, or so basically this is gold, right? Gold against the US dollar. So it's a bit different to stock analysis. And basically we can speculate gold going up or down each day and look to get in on one of those moves each day, right? So it's not just doing analysis on a stock and looking to potentially buy it to see if it goes up and makes you money. This is a bit different to stock investing or stock trading. Good morning, Loof the Goof. How are you? Welcome to the YouTube streams. Oh, and EURUSD, this is gold. Candle opened up on the 15-minute. 30-minute candle as well. Yeah, very nice. MZG, Jonas, Lewis, thank you for the follows. Appreciate you guys. Reese, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Haydar sent a treasure box with 20 diamonds. What is that? God damn. Luke the Goof, thank you for the sub. Appreciate you, man. Haydar, what is that? What's a treasure box? Interesting. Hit buys. What was that? Hit buys if you haven't already. Thank me later, said Freddie. Okay. I remember that. Goody Mars, thank you for the follow. Lewis H, are you any trades at the moment? No trades at the moment, bro. No trades at the moment. What application name or the website? How can I find a broker? So this is TradingView, and find a broker that you think suits you, right? So the brokers that I look for is brokers with low spreads or raw ECN accounts, which enables me to get in and out of trades, especially because I'm a scalp trader. It enables me to get in and out of trades with minimal spread, triggering me in the trade too early, or triggering my stop loss too early, or my take profit too early. Hina Khalid said buy or sell now. I'm looking for sales below 2267715. Hina. User, thank you for the follow. About to hit order block. Okay, let's see. What leverage do you use? 1 to 500. How many pips are you generally targeting? Anywhere between 10 to 30, 40, 50 pips and beyond, really. How can I open an account with that broker? Just go to their website. So go to FP Markets, and create an account. Bojaz, thank you for the follow. Yosh says he agrees with Freddie. You can see the order block on the 15-minute. Can you show us practice on how to buy and sell? Are you talking about in MetaTrader? What is your leverage? 1 to 500. Not on FP Markets though. FP Markets is limited because it's a regulated broker to 1 to 30 in Australia. So you're gonna have to find an unregulated broker if you want more leverage, Zeb. Fuck, my throat is so dry, man. I've answered like a million questions today. Big Boo, Frank, thank you for the follow. No, did he? Yo, chill. Are you in the UK? I'm from the UK, but I'm in Australia. I'm in Melbourne, Australia. So Zeb, in Australia, by law, brokers are only allowed to offer a 1 to 30 leverage, which is quite low. But that's just how it is in Australia, because too many people were losing money and over risking, over leveraging, and so they decided to make that law. So you're gonna have to find an unregulated broker. Not recommending any. I do not recommend unregulated brokers. Do you only trade London session or NYC and Asian? I only trade pre-London session, so 2 hours before London opens until 2 hours after London opens. That is the only time that I trade. And I'll occasionally take a trade during New York session. Occasionally. Trading pool. I know AJ Currency. I've never heard of Trading Pool. But yeah, I know AJ Currency. I've seen him on Instagram. What does leverage mean? Leverage is basically the amount that you're allowed to borrow on your account, the leverage that you can have on your account. Joel, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Conran, thank you for the follow. Kwam, thank you for the follow. Need it to go up now? Yeah, it's going up. It's going up, JK. It's going up, man. Lucian, thank you for the follow. This 5-minute candle is giving confirmation. Very nice. For the order block, yeah? Bro, are you right? Sal XAU. I haven't said Sal. I said Sal's below 2267715. If it doesn't come down to that level, then there's no trades for me. You're also in Melbourne, Milan. Very nice. So is this broker an Australian broker? Well, I'm guessing so. I'm guessing it is. Oz based, yeah, very nice. Don't have. What did you say? Don't have to suggest any broker, but if you type in regular broker and just search what's popping up. Bro, I'm not. Yeah. Global though, okay. Can come past the broker. Where are you based? Enzo, thank you for the follow. CBD, okay. Overlord, thank you for the ice cream. Appreciate you. I have no idea what an ice cream is, but appreciate you guys, man. You guys are going crazy with the diamonds. Better I use one that's been tried and tested? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's a beautiful confirmation right there for a big sell. It's funny how so many different traders just have so many different outlooks and views on the market. Need more buying power. I mean, this looks like a pretty solid bullish candle here, JK. Looks like price could potentially continue bullish, yeah. Depending on how it closes. Are you living in Oz right now? Yeah, I live in Oz. I'm a permanent resident. Permanent resident in Australia. Yeah. Guys, if we all get together, right? 100 people of us in here right now. Everyone enter a buy or a sell on gold at the same time, right? With like a if you, however, the biggest lot size you can. And we'll see if we can move the markets. Let's move it. Do you know any YouTube channels that teach trustworthy strategies? I mean, there's heaps out there. There's heaps. The North Face, thank you for the follow. Let's start a bump and dump. What's up, Betty? You got Betty Davis eyes. You know that song, Betty? Yeah, I never suggest any trades. That was just that was a joke, Lupus. I only ever say I only ever give my opinion. That's it. I'm in, baby. Jaden, what are you in? Should I buy BTC? I don't know. Urana, should you? You tell us. Bro, are you in a buy or sell? I'm not in a buy or sell at the moment, King. If you want to learn how to read the charts, Ross Cameron on YouTube is good in my opinion. Ross Cameron, okay. Never heard of Ross Cameron. Uchi, thank you for the follow. You tell me. Oh, this isn't a crypto stream, Urana. This is a gold XAUUSD day trading stream, not an investment into crypto stream. But to be honest, I have no ideas about crypto or Bitcoin at the moment. I used to a few years ago. I used to follow along quite regularly, but yeah, it would be wrong for me to try and give you opinions or advice or anything of that matter on anything crypto related, because it's just not my lane. Which time frame is to use the most? Probably the 4-hour time frame, King. 4-hour time frame is a solid time frame. If you really know how to use the 4-hour time frame, you can catch so many moves, so many different moves, up or down. Can you zoom out a little? Sure. Man's still alive. Yeah, the TikTok went crazy today, Bish. I don't mind staying on a bit longer when it's popping off like this. What's your YouTube? YouTube is the same. Forex with Cody. What we're looking at, this is gold. XAUUSD. Freddy, thank you for the follow, bro. What took you so long, man? Viraj, thank you for the follow. Dawit, thank you for the follow. Is it similar to crypto in any way? I mean, I've never really looked into crypto day trading. I know there is such thing as crypto day trading or crypto futures trading. I believe it's, you know, the concepts are very similar. But I would say crypto, in my opinion, if I was to look into crypto, it'd be more of an investment. Not necessarily a day trading type thing. But yeah, as Josh said, charts are charts, right? But Forex and gold particularly does, I wouldn't say it moves similar to BTC, but I mean, that's just my opinion. I'm sure somebody would disagree with me on that. Shamis, thank you for the follow. What we're looking for, sales below 2267715 potentially. Strong buy, everyone's saying buys. Everyone's saying buys in the chat. Trevor, thank you for the follow. Faraja, thank you for the follow. I hope I said your name correctly. Cody, I was up 11 pips and there was no double down option. What if I hit and get a 10 now? What strategy do you use? Price action. Price action is key. Price action is king. Price action is all you need. Fortune Paul, thank you for the follow. What are you doing now? I'm chilling. I'm chilling, reading chat. Having a good old time over here on the TikTok and the YouTube channel. Wait for Cody Boss. Let's go, Sashi. Sashi knows. Don James, thank you for the follow. Just my opinion, bro, but if we take the lows without grabbing the double top. Wait, what did you say before that? I reckon gold will go back up. Are you up for the MY session? No. I've got a daughter. I've got a 15, 16-month-old daughter, and you know, she gets up early. So if I'm going to bed at like 2, 3 a.m., then I'm getting like 3 hours or less sleep if I trade New York session. Sometimes I'll be awake for the New York session open or like pre-London session, but anything beyond that, bro, I am sleeping. Can you teach me how to do what you're doing? For sure. For sure I can. I noticed gold loves liquidity, especially double tops. Yeah, gold loves, you know, gold loves key levels. That's why I love trading gold breakouts, because when you get a breakout on gold, you know you're going to get a big move. You know the volume's going to come in. It's just, you know, figuring out how to find those key levels and when to anticipate that those volume pushes, right? And it's all in the sessions. It's all in the 4-hour candles. Press up, thank you for the follow. Where do I learn? You can go to my YouTube channel and there is some things to learn there. Or you can click the link in my profile. You've got a free Telegram. If you scroll up in the chat, you might still be able to find the Discord link. But yeah. TikTok. Let's go with futures. There is good money to be made. Yeah, I've heard that, Betty. I've heard that, man. Fuck me. What a name. Are we seeing buy or sell? I'm looking at potential sells. Looking at what's wrong, Irina? Why the broken heart? Soul, thank you for the follow. No, you don't. You don't, Irina. You don't. Like I said, there's the YouTube channel. There's the free Telegram, Discord. There's lots of free alternatives. There's also the streams that you can show up to every day and ask questions and learn something new. You know, that's all free. Rico, thank you for the follow. La Zoo, thank you for the follow. I'm not going to try to pronounce that whole name. I would definitely follow you. Appreciate you, Soul. We're looking for a breakout. Yeah, below 2267715 potentially. Nessa, thank you for the follow. Griffiths, thank you for the follow. Sorry, are you going to trade live? Potentially. Potentially, brother. Nessa, thank you for the follow. I don't know if I said that. George, thank you for the follow. M, thank you for the follow. How long did it take you to become consistently profitable? Like 5 years, man. 4 or 5 years. Can I ask your thoughts on ICT with this Robin's Cup? I've heard people talking about the Robin's Cup. I'm not exactly sure what that is. What's the Robin's Cup? Am I blind? No, I'm not. Are you waiting for a sell? Yeah, sell. There's no startup cost. There's no minimum investment. You're in it. You can literally... some brokers have a deposit max, like maybe like $10 or $50 or something. But I'm pretty sure a lot of brokers, you can literally just deposit $10, $20, $50. And start trading. But obviously you need to learn about trading first before you do that, I would suggest. All right, let's get the news up. Let's take a quick look at the news here. $11:15, about an hour and a half left. An hour and a half. We have ADP non-farm employment change. It's estimated to increase, right? Forecast. Previous was 140k. Forecast is 148k. So it's but it's to increase, which is potentially good for the currency. It's saying over here. So let's see. That would mean we would see gold gold get weaker, basically, based off that news. If that's what it's saying, it would cause the US dollar to get stronger and gold to get weaker. Jaffe, thank you for the follow. USD CHF is going to go down on news today. I'm not sure, bro. I don't trade USD CHF. Let's have a look. Wait, what did Uranus say? What did she say? This is super complicated. It's not complicated. It seems complicated at first, but you soon get used to it. Just like everything in life, right? Something that's, you know, when you first start something, when you first start a new job, or, you know, when you're first learning, you know, a specific, you know, lesson in school, or a degree when you go to uni or something like that. At first it seems complicated, but then you get used to it, and, you know, after a year or so, you look back and you think, actually, why was I so worried? It actually wasn't that complicated. You know, it makes sense now. Yo, Sol, thank you for sharing the live. Appreciate you. Chris, thank you for the follow. What's your opinion on copy trading? It can be beneficial if you find the right people to copy trade. How long do you think I should stand a demo before funded? A few months, so you get used to, you know, MT5 or whatever platform you're using, so you can get used to entering trades, setting stop loss and take profit levels. And once you're familiar and comfortable with all that, then you can move on. What do you think of today's news? Yeah, so Chicago, we just looked at it. And on Forex Factory, it's saying that, where is it? Just make sure you guys can see it over here. It's saying that the previous data that was released was 140k. The forecast for today is 148k, which means, you know, depending on which data comes out, obviously we have to wait for that data, but it's positive for the US dollar, right? If it's greater than 148k, then it's positive for the US dollar. If it stays the same, I don't see much change in the market. What else we got here? Do you see gold making new highs again today? Today, I'm not sure, but you know, overall for sure. I play stocks and futures, but never forex. Why is it better, worse? I can't answer that question because I've never traded stocks or futures myself, so I can't answer why it is better or worse. But the reason I like, I mean, you can trade gold in futures as well, but the reason I like forex and gold is, you know, you can capture a lot of moves per day or per week, and it's pretty accessible, right? Forex is pretty accessible. You can just jump on TradingView, sign up for a free account on TradingView. You can sign up to a broker. There's not much that it takes to start trading forex. It's very accessible. It says here, Sian, that actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Employment change, yeah. What's up, Urana? What did you say? BB, thank you for the follow. Folo, thank you for the follow. LJ, thank you for the follow. Baba Beam, Lil Noir, thank you for the follow. Bum, 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 bum. Appreciate you guys, man. You guys are going crazy. Taylor, internet guy, thank you for the follows. Can we see your trade results? Yeah, trade results right here. It's hard to fit all this in on the TikTok, but yeah, it's right here. What do you want to see? You want to see the results? The results are right here. In this section, profit, gain, loss, percentage gain and loss, pips, gain and loss, and win or losing trades. Anything? Yeah, it's all right here. User, thank you for the follow. West Ham United, something. Lad, maybe. Thank you for the follow. Which pair? Gold. This is gold. Prop firms like Apex and Top Step are good ones for futures. Apex and Top Step? Okay. I need to look into futures. Taki, thank you for the follow. Do you trade funded or live account, Reese? I've never taken a funded account in my life. How did you make this journal in Google Docs? It's a template. Code him up every day 1-2% and never take profit? Damn, son. Why not? Why not, brother? Stop loss is break even. Very nice. We love that. Wait for breakout. I have sales open from 2286. I'm aiming for 2130. Yep, sales from 2286. Oh, nice. So you're decently in profit right now. Yeah, I mean, stops at break even. That's the best you can do. The Woo F See, lad. Is that West Ham? West Ham United Football Club? Yeah, stops at break even. Maybe take some profits, you know. Completely up to you, but at least you're at break even now. Hello, hello, what's up? Who's your broker? FP Markets. FP Market. What is this down here? How can we get this? Nab, thank you for the follow. Thank you, friends, for the knowledge. No worries, Urena. No worries. Thank you for stopping by and asking some questions. Hope to see you in here again. Good luck on your journey. Is it GUI, though? Thank you for the follow. Nice name. Sharvin, thank you for the follow. Mindset, thank you for the follow. Can't see any trading, just a graph. What do you mean? What's your overall profit been so far? What's it like for the year so far? Based on this journal, this was a 10k count. Now at 35, just over 35,000, $35,075. Are you in any trades? No, I'm not in any trades right now. I'm looking at potential sales below here. Badgie Art, thank you for the follow. How many times do you have left? What do you mean, Junior Boy? Nice, Krenel. Nice comment, bro. Way to be positive, my brother. What do you want me to sit here and just take trades that don't suit my trading plan or my trading strategy just for a bit of entertainment? You obviously don't know a good trader when you see one. But yeah, all the best, brother. Why lie? What are you talking about? Never shown an actual trade. If I don't see a trade, I'm not going to take one. Well, like, what do you want from me, bro? Would you like me to enter a sell right now or a buy? Don't listen to him. That's such a stupid mindset just to trade for the sake of it. Wow, yeah. Sell now, sell now. I love men. I love men said sell now. Never show you what I actually trade. I always show what I trade. I just haven't taken a trade in a while. So sometimes, like I said, some weeks I get no trades, right? Some weeks I will literally have not one trade. That doesn't make me a bad trader. That doesn't mean, you know, I don't trade. If I don't see something I don't like and it doesn't fit my strategy and my trading plan, I'm not going to take a trade. Like, what else do you want from me? Dylan C, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you guys. If not, you will lose money and be upset at the market when it's you. Yeah. No, I know. Yeah, I use my own strategy, I love men. Why do you keep making me say that on stream, man? I love men. Yeah, my own strategy. Obviously, I have when I first started trading, I did take, you know, I did take a couple of different courses, but they were like break and retest courses and Fibonacci courses. Because back like then, like 7 years ago when I first started trading, that was all that was available, right? When like 7 years ago, it was all Fibonacci, break and retest, support and resistance levels. So I took a few of those, didn't really feel comfortable with any of them, and eventually just went on my own journey to figure out what I find fits me best, you know, in terms of a strategy. Every time I answer this guy's I love men question, like I gotta say his name, and people are probably just watching the stream going, why does this guy keep saying he loves men? Have I taken in trades this week? I've taken a trade this week, and it was a losing trade. it was minus $768 and minus 2.14%. That is the only trade I've taken this week. But it is the start of a new month, right? New monthly candle is forming. This is why it's, you know, this is why I like watching the monthly. It's always important to keep an eye on the monthly time frame, see what is happening. Check my messages. Yeah, I'll check it now, Rochelle. I'll check it now. So yeah, new monthly candle has just opened. Of course, you know, I'm just gonna see how it starts to form this week, right? Going into next week, then I'll start looking at my setups. Don't forget we have NFP this week on Friday, so that's going to be you know, potentially Thursday, tomorrow, and you know, leading up to NFP, you can see consolidation. You know, low volume as price prepares for that data to be released into the market. Jaff, thank you for the follow. AD Shop, thank you for the follow. Doesn't matter, government budgets fluctuate everything, he just bets. I can't see rates getting cut till September time for USD, yeah. Don't click any links, Cody, just a friendly reminder, okay. Yo, so heal. Thank you for the 6 roses. Appreciate that. My guy sent over here sending me roses, man. There's a reason fund managers hedge all their currencies. So you're saying he gambles? It's a very thin line, right? It's a very thin line between, is it gambling or is it calculated risk? Calculated approach? You guys be the judge of that. But trading for the most part, you know, is 50-50. Potentially, you know, 55, 45 in your favor, 60-40 in your favor. You know, if you have all different, you know, confluences and your strategy is solid and you have a win rate that is above 50%. But for the most part, you know, nobody really knows when they're entering a trade if it's going to go in their favor, right? It's calculated risk, I like to call it. Why I'm so amazing, thank you for the follow. This is so bullish. Dragon, thank you for the follow. Notice how no real hood trader says it's calculated gambling. I mean, if I'm going to find you. Ali and Double, thank you for the follows. Cole, thank you for the follows. I still say calculated. What pair are you trading? This is gold. XAUUSD. Sandy Spain, thank you for the follows. So gold is just consolidating right now, right? So this is why, you know, people in chat talking about buys or whatever it is, like within this range now, price is literally just consolidating, right? So for me, there's no trades in here. So you guys obviously, again, are going to disagree with me on that. But for me, this is why I like to look at breakouts below key levels here. So again, still for me, based on, you know, the 4-hour time frame, the structure, the price action on the 4-hour, I'll be swinging more to sells to the downside. And so this level 2 to 67715 is still key for me. Don't listen to anyone who's saying buy or sell without confirming on the chart yourself. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Just cleared £100 in a sell. Very nice. Do you use Fibonacci? No, I don't use Fibonacci. It's clearing consolidation now. We wait for breakout. Exactly, Zach. Exactly. What's my strategy based off? It's based off just price action, just simple price action. You know, based on different time frames, weekly, daily, 4 hour, and then entries on the 1 hour and 5 minute. Just based on each session. So I trade 4 hour intervals based on each 4 hour candle. So that would be pre-London 4 hour candles or the New York session 4 hour candle. But it's mainly the pre-London one because usually I'm asleep for New York session. It's like 1 a.m. in the morning here in Australia. So most of the time I'm trading the pre-London to London Open 4 hour candle. Looking for momentum. Looking for direction in the market and anticipating to capture that pre-London volume coming into the market, which it does so quite often. Zach, thank you for the follow. Dan, thank you for the follow. I'm in Australia, just moved here for soccer, originally from the UK. Nice, bro. The fact that you're from the UK and you're calling it soccer is an absolute tragedy, bro. I can't take you serious. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. There's no way you're from the UK and you're calling it soccer. No hate, you know, but the word soccer just cannot come out of my mouth when I'm talking about football. Too bad you don't trade it in my session, but I already vibe with you. Oh, thank you, Zach. Appreciate that, man. Like I said, sometimes I do, but yeah, like for me here in Australia, it's like 12, 1 a.m. in the morning. Usually, I am fast asleep. These that call it soccer, yeah. You gotta keep true to your English roots, man. You know, just keep calling it football. You play for S&M Royals. Oh, nice. Is that a good team? I'm not too familiar with the Australian like football scene, to be honest. I tried watching the A-League once, and yeah, that didn't last even 5 minutes before I turned it off. How many lots would you trade this with, and what's the range? So I usually just go with a standard 5 lot, depending on my stop loss. If my stop loss is relatively big, then I'll half that to a 2.5 lot, Christian. And the range I'm aiming for, so below this level, is down here within this kind of zone. It's like a 38 to 50 pip-ish range. But yeah. Soccer is American or African? You think so? Yeah, I definitely know it's American. But African, don't they call it football in Africa? A-League, English Conference League. Yeah, quite literally, bro. Broncos fan, let's go. Wait, and are you got family in Brisbane? Are you talking to me? Or are you talking to Copy Trading? Chill, thank you for the follow. Tay, thank you for the follow. Lagini, thank you for the follow. Me, I'm in Melbourne, bro. What football team do I support? Aston Villa. I'm from Birmingham originally, so I support Aston Villa. You're from South Africa? You call it soccer? Oh, really? My sales is definitely looking bad. Where did you take sales, Josh? Thoughts on Aiden Ross? He's alright. Trash team? What the? He owned Bamboo nightclub? Oh shit. That's crazy. In Kenya we call it football? Yeah, I thought so. I don't want to bring race into it, but I'm guessing like the white side of South Africa would call it soccer, right? And then... But yeah, a random question. Thoughts on Aiden Ross? Yeah, I know a lot of South Africans love rugby. I had a South African like best mate back when I was in school when I was like 15. Um, and yeah, he loved rugby. His family loved rugby. Actually, everyone in South Africa? Okay. How come I moved to Oz? I met my wife here. Met the missus. And I wanted to get out of the UK. First word I was told to change when I got in the UK was soccer. Yeah, I imagine, Clive. They'll take that personally over there, man, if you call it soccer. Pavo and Strawsy, thank you for the follow. How long does each trade last on average? Anywhere from like... So my strategy is capturing, anticipating the volume, right, for pre-London session, because obviously leading up to London session open, you're going to start to get the volume coming into the market. So sometimes I've literally caught a trade and within 10 seconds it's hit take profit. Other times, 5-10 minutes. Other times it's took an hour or two, or even longer sometimes, 3 hours, 4 hours. It really just varies based on each setup. This is gold, Enzo. Do you only trade gold? Yeah, pretty much. I do occasionally trade gbpjpy, but mainly gold. You into options? No, I'm not. Do you trade prop firms or live accounts? Live accounts, Strawsy. I've never taken a prop firm or funded account before. I was gonna do it a while ago for some content on YouTube and for you guys in the stream to follow along. And then the company that I was actually gonna go with, literally the next day, ended up getting shut down. So I was like, you know what? It's a sign. Thoughts on ICT, Christian? I mean, I really have no idea. That is one strategy in Forex that I've never actually learned or been interested in learning. I'm not sure why. So yeah, I don't really have any thoughts on ICT. But yeah, I mean, I think most strategies out there work. It's the person trading them, right? It's about the psychological aspect and the mental aspect of trading. That is what I think separates people, a losing trader and a winning trader, or a profitable trader or not profitable. Yeah, all strat are profitable, exactly. Most strategies out there, if someone new to Forex or trading comes in, goes on YouTube, picks a strategy, they can make money with it, right? What it then comes down to is the mental and psychological aspect of it, right? Because that's where everyone starts to lose in trading, when they start to get in their head of it too much. If you're a day trader or scalper, sometimes best to just cut. Yeah, exactly. The grind. If I wasn't streaming right now, I literally would not be sitting here watching this, right? I have an alert set down at this level. I would continue on with my day. I would continue on with my night. I'd be chilling with my family. But, you know, I like being here streaming. You know, I actually really enjoy it and talking with you guys. But if I wasn't streaming right now, I would not be sitting here watching the charts like this. Toby, thank you for the follow. Raul, thank you for the follow. I'm jumping back on charts, mate. Nice meeting you, Noble Trader. Appreciate you, bro. I don't know what to call you, but, you know, I'm pretty sure that's West Ham FC that you got your name, so I'll call you West Ham. Oh, Luke? Okay. No worries. Appreciate you, Luke. Nice meeting you, man. Thank you for stopping by the stream. Nice meeting you here. What's up, Raul? What chart is it? Gold. I was just answering the guy he mentioned about staying in consolidation. Oh, okay, fair enough. Ali, thank you for the follow. But yeah, so obviously what is happening right now at this point is, you know, gold is potentially waiting for this news to drop tonight, right? So either the Powell speech or the PMI, the ISM PMI, right? 100% that's what's happening at this point because price is now just consolidating. There's very low volume candles. So yeah, price gold is just awaiting news, and we'll probably won't see much movement until then. So Philemon, thank you for the follow. When is news? News is in an hour, Daniel. Sal, so you went into Sal 275. No, this was just a level that somebody asked me to put on the chart. This is not a level that I'm looking for any trades on. I'm actually just going to delete that. What's the difference between raw spread and standard accounts? Would there be a... Yeah, 100%. No, it's not different in profits. So a raw spread account is a account that has very low spreads now. You're going to get charged commission on that. You know, per lot size, usually it's like $3 or something. But a raw spread account is a very low spread account, basically 0 pip spread. A standard account, you're not going to pay commissions, but you're going to pay with high spreads. And you know, the downside to having an account with high spreads is, for example, if you ever go to enter a buy stop trade, for example here, right? Let's say you have buy stops right here. If price comes up here like this, right? You see how it doesn't quite tap that line, but it comes close. If you had a high spread account or a standard account, it's going to trigger you into this trade here, even though it hasn't tapped into this level, right? So that's the downside to having a high or standard spread account or a high spread account, as opposed to a raw spread account. So I always recommend raw spread accounts, especially if you're a scalper, because you're not going to get tricked or triggered into trades early based on you know, the fact that your account has high spreads. Discordia and Cook and Thomas, thank you for the follows, appreciate you. No worries, Nawaf. If put you in trade at the bid or ask. Bid, yeah, not the market price, yeah, exactly. Just here, thank you for the follow. Want to sell at 2275? Good idea, 2275. I mean, you tell me the analysis on that, King. I'm not looking for any sales up in them levels. The only sales I'm looking for at the moment until New York session opens is below 2267.715. Your sales back in profit? Yeah, it's just jumping up and down right now, Yosh. It's literally just jumping up and down. News at 7 or 7:30. For me, it's at 11:15 p.m. because I'm in Australia. So that is around about 45 minutes, Zach. What time frame you like viewing for entry? 1 hour or 5 minute, the grind. Biruk, thank you for the follow. Anything happening with gold tonight? absolutely nothing, Misbah. Absolutely nothing. It's just consolidating now. Yo, Thomas Jensen, thank you for the sub on YouTube. Appreciate you. Welcome to the YouTube gang, my guy. But yeah, consolidation. Absolutely nothing is going on right now. JK, what's up? What's up? What's happening? How's the buy going? Gold is literally just consolidating now, right now, JK. Literally, we have PMI coming out soon. And price is just consolidating, awaiting the news now. So, yeah. Ishes and Tawan, thank you for the follows. It will fly, don't sell. You think gold's going to sell off? I have no idea. We're just going to have to wait and see. We're just going to have to wait and see what happens when this news drops. When's news? The one that is telling me on TradingView is PMI. It's at 1 a.m. So it's still another few hours away yet. But on Forex Factory, there is news coming up here. ADP, non-farm employment change, right? That's coming up in the next like 40 minutes or so. You heard gold's going to go up tonight? There's just so many different conflicting opinions right now on gold. A lot of people saying sells, a lot of people saying buys. Does that mean good? What do you mean, JK? The news? Gonna take some profit. Let's go, Yosh. Yosh was in sales. He held them. Good job. He's now taking profits. Yeah. TM. Is that TM or Tim? Yeah. So, potential sales below 2267715. Up 80 right now. Let's go. Too late for a sell? No, price can still continue. But it will have to be below this level. Let's go, Yosh. Yosh is a market maker. He told you guys, man. He's been in contact with the banks. He knows. You reckon the news is going to be positive to market or negative in crypto? We'll have to wait and see, bro. The outlook is that it's you know, it's going to be positive potentially, but we'll have to wait and see until the actual news drops. Up 800. Which broker do you use Forex? FP Markets. I wouldn't want to trade in these conditions. Yeah, me neither, Tyler. Whatever is within this area, I'm not interested in trading at all. Below this area, I'm interested. Just went down 2K trailing. So what's your plan here, JK? What's your plan? What's your plan of attack? What's your risk management? What's your risk management? What's your trade management? What's your plan here? Hype gone. I'm gambling at this point with believing it goes up. Okay, so now that you've said that, now that you think you're gambling, so what's the next step? I've nearly blown a funded. How do you advise trying to pull it back? Trade one pair with one setup during one session. Build that consistency. Build the confidence, and you'll turn it around. If you stick to those three things, you'll turn it around. Stay patient with your setups. Exactly. If you guys are in buys or sells right now, that means you had a trading plan. That means you had, you know, you entered based off your strategy, and you know, you just gotta believe in your strategy, believe in your setup, believe in your plan, and see it through to the end. And if you've made a mistake, make sure you review your mistakes. You know, if you make profit, if you had a winning trade, make sure you review on why it was a winning trade, or on why you made profit. Always review, right? If it's a good trade, if it's a bad trade, always review it and see what you did wrong or what you did right. Okay. Ollie West, thank you for the follow. If it goes up now, this will be the biggest comeback. Mr. Powell saying me today, gold go to 2315. Let's go, hype. You did take some profit. That's nice. I like that. Ricardo and Safar, thank you for the follows. Rogue, thank you for the follows. There is a wick, but you know, Yosh, at this point, like I said now, like, this can just bounce up and down for the next couple of hours at this point, right? There's just, this is well and truly in a consolidation phase now, right? We had this bullish candle trying to push up here, and we thought, okay, maybe price will start pushing up, right? Came straight back down. Now prices try to push all the way back down, rejected all the way back up. So the market is literally telling us, you know, what it's doing within the candles. You just have to read them. I'm done with the games. Let's push it up. Pineapple, thank you for the follow. Biological, thank you for the follow. Yes, you're 100% correct. I'm just being risky. Grant, thank you for the follow. Pray for me, Cody. This mistake won't happen again. That's good, bro. That's good. You're thinking correctly. Zari, SJ, Keegan, Paul, thank you for the follows. So you're saying if it goes below that blue line, you're selling. If I get a closure below that 2267715 level, then I will be potentially looking at sales, yes. But that is based, that's just based on how these candles close, right? We've still got an hour 27 of the 4 hour candle left. If we take a look at the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour looks again same as the 5 minute, really, right? Just ranging at the moment. There's 27 minutes left of this 1 hour candle. I think the best thing to do in this scenario would be to wait for a 1 hour closure below this level. So in 27 minutes, wait for a 1 hour closure below the 2267715 level. Because the 5 minute is just not looking enticing at the moment. It's not looking enticing. Sergio, Nicholas, Jessica, Malik, thank you for the follows. What will be your take profit? So a nice level, you know, this is the level from the daily time frame. If we go over to the daily, we can see, sorry, no, is it the 4? Yeah, 4 hour level right here. So you can see this resistance in here from the 4 hour perspective. Sorry, right here. Right, resistance. So this could just be a simple break and retest of the key level. So I believe price can come down into here, into this level. So the range is around about, you know, from 38 to, you know, around about 50-60 pip range potentially. Gift, thank you for the follow. Mario, Josh, thank you for the follow. You deserve it. Thank you, bro. Thank you. You sound like an honest, down-to-earth trader. Thanks for sharing your insights. No worries, Nicholas. I appreciate that. I appreciate those words, man. They actually mean a lot. Because that's all I'm trying to do, you know. I'm not here. It's like when some people, you know, get upset at me for not entering trades, or, you know, not taking a trade or whatever, and I say, you know, what do you want me to do? Like, if there's no setup or no trade for me to take based on my strategy and my trading plan, you know, what do you want me to do? Just enter trades for you guys for some entertainment for the TikTok? Like, that's not going to happen, you know. So I'm just trying to be here and just do my thing. You know, I'm not, you know, flexing or flashing, you know, money in your guys' face or profits, or I'm just literally here with you guys looking at the markets, trying to look for entries and trading, you know. That's just it. If you want someone to flex and flash money in your face, go over to like Mamba Effects, or, you know, go over to those Instagram guys. But I'm not here to do that. Do you think, bro? Appreciate you, Yosh. I've entered buys. Pray for me. Damn. I want to get into it. Any advice? Can you teach me? Advice would be trade one pair, one setup during one session, right? So I trade gold, I trade breakout strategy, right? My breakout strategy, and I trade it during pre-lunar session, and that is it, right? Every now and then, I will potentially trade like pre-New York session, but very rarely. How many signals in free group per day? I don't post signals in there, but I do post analysis in there. Bubble King, thank you for the follow. Darren, thank you for the follow. Hunky D's, thank you for the share. 2280 rejection. You Aussie, James. I live in Australia, but I'm from the UK originally. Sandra Brunza, thank you guys for the follows. Asim UK, thank you for the follow. Dinesh. How long does it take to get the hang of it? It depends on the person, right? For me, it took, you know, 3-4 years in terms of being profitable. But in terms of getting the hang of it, like understanding Forex, I mean, you can do that in, you know, potentially a year or less. But in terms of being actually profitable and being consistently profitable and making money consistently in the markets and not blowing accounts and not losing money, I would say, you know, years and years. It took me, like I said, around about 4 years. Depends on how hard you work. Yeah, exactly. James. Marco, thank you for the follow. Hunky D's, thank you for the follow. Didn't I already say these ones? Dinesh, check my profile, bro. What website app do you use? You're talking about this one right here? This is TradingView. Will gold jump to 2-3? I'm not sure, man. I am not sure. If we reject from 2280, I'll gift you 2280. That's a fair way away right now. Bum, bum. No, I don't, Mandy. I have education based on how I trade and what I look for when I'm trading gold, but I do not have a course, no. Kano, Nawar, apply, no reply. Thank you guys for the follows. Will it go up or down? I mean, it will go both ways right now. It's consolidating. Do you have a Discord? Yeah, I've got a Discord. Type in the chat if you guys type in the chat if you guys want the Discord link. Bum bum. News will give some direction. Yeah, that's why I like to wait for after news as well to grind, because it does help with direction once you get that volume push. Once the data drops, if you get the volume push, it can help with direction, and usually it continues with the overall trend of the market, right? When you know how to read price action, it's game over for sure. I agree. Can you now elaborate more about the news and the effect on gold? So Pineapple, you know, various countries around the globe have their monthly, yearly, you know, news events based off the economic, based off their economies, right? And it's basically just data to do with their economy, such as unemployment rate, you know, inflation, interest rates, all those different types of news events that come out each month or every 2 months, and that directly impacts each currency that news you know, comes out on. So usually if you get big changes, or it's different, it's changed quite a bit from the previous month, or it hasn't changed at all, usually you get quite a huge amount of volume and liquidity coming into the market based on that news. So yeah. Are you familiar with supply and demand? Yes, somewhat. How do you know if the news makes the pair increase or decrease? You just have to wait for the news to come out. I mean, there is some, if you're really into fundamentals, you can obviously do a bit more research and try and find out ways to understand before the news comes out how you can anticipate certain movements based on data being released. But you know, it would take years and years of experience to do that, and it's very hard. There's not very many people that would strictly just trade during news events, right? Most traders, if they care about risk management and protecting their capital, they're going to stay out of the market during these high impact news events because it's so unpredictable. Do you trade VIX? No, I don't. I do not. When is a good time to buy gold? When you start to see a bit more of an uptrend and bullish structure form, and key resistance levels being broken, such as this one. Until then, it's quite bearish at the moment. I think it's going to be over for me. Woodsy, thank you for the follow. Job, thank you for the follow. Cody, do you think for intraday traders, technical is more important than 100% ace. 100%. As soon as I lose my money, it will shoot up. Yeah, that's always the way, JK. Market moves if one asset is stronger than the other. Yeah, exactly. To put it quite simply, the market moves if one asset is stronger than the other. So if we get, for example, if we get the news tonight on the US dollar, which comes out, you know, positive, that's going to make the US dollar stronger, which is going to make, in turn, gold weaker, right? Do you use a robot? No, I don't use a robot. YNG Mano, thank you for the follow. If you're on a buy, you should be okay. All right. Do you always have stop losses? Yeah, I always have a stop loss for sure. Oh, here we go. Here he is. Here's MFK. How are you, bro? Crystal Bot, thank you for the follow. What broker do I use? I use FP Markets. Alberto, thank you for the follow. It's so slow today. Yeah, Jamil. So there's some news coming out on the USD tonight. So that's probably the reason that you know, we are seeing the consolidation right now. Price and gold right here is awaiting the news. And until then, you know, it's probably just going to consolidate. Live goal achieved. Let's go. FX Hustler. Appreciate you dropping the 10 roses. Let's go. MFK dropping the friendship. Let's go. My guy. Is XM broker best to use? I've never actually used XM, but I believe it's a decent broker, yeah. But I've never actually used it. Doesn't USA market open in 15 minutes? I believe so. Yeah, it does. 11 p.m. So usually you would get a lot of volume here for the NY session open, but it still might just be awaiting the PMI, the Fed, Powell speech, and the NFP. Well, not NFP, the employment. What do you think about Floki? I've never heard of that. I'm not sure what that is. Do you also use fundamental analysis in your trades? If yes, then what tool do you use in your... the way I use fundamental analysis, Ragin, is I just don't trade during high impact events. So I do use fundamentals in my trading, but not as a confluence, or not, you know, as other people would think. I just simply do not trade during high impact news events like inflation, interest, NFP, PMI, FOMC. I just stay out of the market for that day. Yo, let's go MFK with the 9 GGs and the 9 perfumes, my god. Let's go, babe. Give me news update. Yeah, so we've got news tonight, MFK. So we've got ADP non-farm employment change coming up soon in the next 30 or so minutes. And then later on tonight, we have the the PMI and the Powell speech. Unemployment claims as well coming up. That's tomorrow though, 11:30 p.m. So yeah, interesting couple of days ahead. How do you check? You just go to Forex Factory. Or there's lots of different websites you can check, but I use Forex Factory for the most part. I'll start everyone a liquor if it goes down. Yo, boy mate, thank you for the follow. What does gold value drop when USD? Well, yeah, because they're pinned against each other, preaching, or supposedly. Using your system, when can you tell that a trend has started? Is it after a spike, big decline? So that depends. You know, there's all different time frames to take into advantage. Sorry, not advantage, into consideration. I'm getting quite tired now, like it's getting late, so I apologize if I'm stumbling or not making sense. But the way I like to kind of read a current trend or structure is just by simply going to the daily time frame and just looking at the lows, right? So we can see quite clearly here, there's all these lows, high lows being formed, creating that bullish structure, right? And if you went down to the lower time frames, you'd be able to see that and mark it up. And these would be key points in the market on the lower time frame. So a quick and easy way to do it, like I said, is either going to the daily, or you can also do it on the weekly, right? So we can clearly see on the weekly time frame here, we have current bullish uptrend structure with higher highs and higher lows being formed. And that's just a quick way to see structure, in my opinion. Mostly though, I use that on the daily time frame. Oh my god. Ugh. I'm gonna fall asleep in a minute. Yo, Nicholas, thank you for the 9 GGs, my guy. Appreciate you. You guys are going crazy. You guys are going crazy. When there's a breakout and a strong trend happens, do you hold or stick to your risk to reward? Always stick to your trading plan. Always stick to your plan and your strategy. And then, you know, review it afterwards. Review it in a month or so time. And, you know, make changes then if need be. Can you use leverage on FP markets? If so, how much? Yeah, you can. You can use leverage on every broker. It just depends where you are in the world on what leverage is accessible to you. Madge, thank you for the follow. Damn, it's 7 where I am. My kids getting ready for school. Yeah, it's getting late, bro. I'm seriously, like, I woke up at like 4 a.m. this morning as well because, like, you know, I've been sick today and my daughter's sick and she woke up early, so I was up at 4 a.m. this morning, man. Let's Smile, Mo the Builder, thank you for the follows. It's Blondie, thank you for the follow. Viral Vids and User, thank you for the follows. What pairs do I trade? I trade gold and gbpjpy. Need some coffee at 11 p.m. at night, bro? Are you crazy? Yeah, so my daughter caught a sickness from her daycare. And she's passed it to my wife, and now my wife has passed it to me. So yeah, I'm literally destroyed right now. I'm surprised I'm actually like sitting here speaking to you guys. Well, I'm surprised that I'm able to sit here and speak to you guys. Like, I feel like I can't even speak right now. Gold was a whole gamble today, so confusing you, but yeah, TO 100%. That's why, this is why I like to trade breakouts, because you will never get caught in a consolidation like this when you trade breakouts, right? Because like I said, trading, I'm looking for trades below here. I believe if price does break this level and closes, that, you know, we're going to get a nice volume push to the downside. Whether that happens, who knows? But yeah, this is why I like trading breakouts, because you often very rarely get caught in ranges and consolidations like this. Marcus, thank you for the follow. It's Ramadan, bro, no coffee. What about for a buy? If you're looking at a buy, I mean, there's no real, for me personally, on my strategy, right? There's no, there's no ways for me to look at buys right now, because the structure is bearish, right? If we take a look at this move to the downside, the momentum is bearish, the structure is bearish with broken lows over here. You see this huge bearish volume come into the market down here. And so for me, until we see potentially a break of this resistance and something like this, right? You want to see a break, a pullback, and you want to see price start continuing bullish, then I would look at buys once we start to see that bullish trend and bullish structure being formed. But until then, we currently have bearish structure and a key resistance and also a key support and a consolidation. So a breakout, you know, above either of these levels could give a nice move on gold. But the only thing I am looking at is sales. And if we go over to the 4-hour time frame, it looks good on the 4-hour, right? Like I said earlier, we have rejection here. We have a slowdown in bullish volume. You can see high volume bullish candles pushing price up over here on gold, all through here, and then all through here. And then all of a sudden price starts to slow down, right? We get rejection, low volume bullish candles, and then you get a massive bearish engulfing candle ripping down here. And so I was just looking for a continuation based on this momentum, based on this 4 hour, and also obviously the trend on the 5 minute, the rejection, key levels, price action. I was just looking for a push based off this 4 hour candle breaking below, and looking for that move to the downside. So if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. There will be no trades. I just try to drink my water and the lid's on. I literally try to drink it from the cap. No effort, just humble. You earn my follow so easy, man. Teach me some of a few stuff that I didn't realize. Yeah, appreciate that to you, my guy. I really appreciate that, man. I'm glad I can, be here and help you in any way possible. Guys, check my story today on gold. Guys over here promoting his channel. That's all good. We want to uplift the community, not put them down. Bales KK, follow. Thank you. Appreciate you. How do you manage to live off your investments? By having a large capital, or relatively large capital. The more money you have, the more money you can make. Hence why I am not bothered about no trading days. I will happily sit here and wait for a trade all week and not enter a trade, because I know I have the capital to only take a few trades a month and, be sitting pretty, right, with a nice profit at the end of the month, be able to pay my bills, mortgage, whatever, so appreciate the follow, the grind. And this is the problem when you have low capital, right? When you have low capital, you tend to want to take more trades to make more money, right? Whereas if you have low capital and I'm telling you to take one trade a day, or trade one pair with one setup during one session, and you only get one trade a week, or some weeks you don't get any trades, you're going to start to get very frustrated because you have low capital, and when you do take a trade, you're only making a small amount of profit, right? But you have to think long term. You have to think of long term, and the amount of capital that you can build for yourself in the future that's going to enable you to take, like I said, a few trades, one trade a week, or a couple trades a week, or 10, 15, 20 trades a month. I think last month I had 16 trades for March. 16 total trades for the whole of March. Do I withdraw a set amount each month? No, I don't. I withdraw what I have to, really. Like, sometimes I don't withdraw anything. Waiting for structure to break and retest sell. Waiting for a closure below. Do you use funded accounts? No, I don't use funded accounts, Johnny Boy. I've actually never taken a funded account before. Capital gains tax is very low compared to income tax, plus you don't pay national insurance. Yeah, I think it just depends on the country that you're in as well. Could you get hold of your template? Go to Donvo. It's a trader called Donvo, and he gives the trading journal template out for free on his website. When should we start targeting sells? I mean, we just have to wait for the price action, right? Right now, price is obviously pushing bullish, so there's going to be no sells anytime soon. What's up, Fortune Johnson? How are you, bro? Over in the YouTube chat. Guys, I am live on YouTube as well if you want to come over to the YouTube. Moses, Jane, thank you for the follows. How much is your risk to reward? It just depends on the trade. Sometimes 1 to 1. Sometimes 1 to 2, sometimes 1 to 3. I wouldn't say it goes much more than a 1 to 3 on most occasions. Donvo, yeah, Donvo, Nicholas. Haniel, thank you for the follow. What's your bias on ADP non-farm? I mean, the forecast is obviously better, supposed to be better than the previous, but we just have to wait and see. We just have to wait and see until the news actually drops. I liked your eyes. Oh, thank you. In my opinion, if you're a new trader, your RR should be 3-1, no lower. I think depending on the strategy, like a 1-1. You know, I know a lot of traders out there who are probably the most profitable traders I've seen that use a 1-1 or lower risk to reward ratio. Sometimes it's negative and they are insanely profitable. Thank you guys for all the follows, man. I appreciate you guys. If everyone in the TikTok right now goes over to the YouTube channel and subscribes to my YouTube channel, I will drop the Telegram and the Discord right now. I want to see 164 people over in the YouTube channel. Here's JK again. One more pump, shout it. One more pump, let's go. Will you be streaming ADP and about news and trading? When is it? It's in like 15. It's in like 15 minutes. Yeah, potentially. Watch it from the YouTube channel. Let's go. I'm there. I'm gonna post the Discord and yeah, I'm gonna post the Discord in the YouTube channel right now. If you guys want to join it, go over to the YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe. Nothing like a bit of a friendly free advertisement, right? Please go to 5 minute. This is the 5 minute. AI news and topics. Let's go. Thank you for the sub. Over in the YouTube channel. The TikTok, the Discord link has been posted in the YouTube chat. King Dre. Welcome, bro. Thanks for your content. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that, Zaz. My guy. My guy. LJS. Thank you for the sub on YouTube. Darren from TikTok. Let's go, Darren. Thank you for coming over. Zaz Lane, Brand6, thank you for the sub on YouTube. I appreciate you. You guys coming over to the YouTube from the TikTok. You are the real OGs, man. Miss Actor, thank you for the sub. Appreciate you guys. You guys are legends. Eddie Trades, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Amar, thank you for the follow. Late night tonight, yeah, I know. Late night tonight, just chilling with you guys. I'm enjoying it. Just vibing. Do you have an order? No, I don't have an order yet. But yeah, the Discord link is in the YouTube chat. You guys should be able to see it now. Just recently started it up, so you guys can get in early. I'm only gonna let a few more people in, and then I'm just gonna be closing. I don't want it to be a crazy Discord where there's just heaps of people posting all the time and it just gets overwhelming. I want it to be like a nice small community in the Discord channel. So I'll let a few more people in, and then we're gonna close it. AA, thank you for the follow. Check 5 minutes. This is the 5-minute time frame. YNG. You gotta come over to the YouTube channel, Clive, if you want the Discord. You gotta sub on the YouTube and join the YouTube live stream, and you'll see the link in the chat. Nikos, thank you for following. Solid. Lupus, did you subscribe on YouTube? I appreciate you, my guy. You're a G. Yeah, the grind, it's free, man. Like, just, you can join the Discord, post your analysis. I post my analysis in there. Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. Talk to whoever you want. Post whatever you want. Just keep it respectful. Is making 1% a day good? That's very good. Making 1%, making any profit at all, trading is good. Same name, yeah, same name on YouTube. Forex with Cody. Please up. I've been waiting so patiently. You have been waiting patiently, JK. I will give you that. Do you have Telegram? Yeah, I've got a free Telegram. If you guys want to join the free Telegram as well, I'll post that in the YouTube. So the Discord and the Telegram links are in the YouTube channel, the YouTube chat, if you guys want to join. So far, I'll send another 4 roses. Let's go. Nicholas sending a rosa. You guys are going crazy with the diamonds. Trading news. I won't be trading it, but I'll definitely stick around now and see how it goes. What is it in 10 minutes? I would love to learn. Can anyone teach me? You give me crazy value, so thanks. No worries, Nicholas. Nicholas, you're number one. You're top gifter right now. You got a number 1 next to your name. You're a number 1. Do you do live study? I am a beginner. Yeah, live study, yeah. Can't control my hands, impressed by his album. Control it. At work right now, watching charts with you. Let's go. That's crazy. As a beginner, I appreciate this free advice, CodeStar. Man, something like, I haven't been called CodeStar since I was like a kid, man. Since I was like 6 years old. That's what my sister used to call me. MVV, thank you for the follow. Nah, you can call me preaching. No worries, bro. The kind of people the world needs. You talking about me? Appreciate it, man. Listen to me. What's up, look, I love men. Buy or sell news, JDM. Let's see. I'm not buying or selling, but like I said, I stay out of news, so news is coming up soon. My bias on gold is bullish. Sorry. I need to go to sleep. My bias on gold is bearish. So let's see what happens during news. Oh, okay. Ace, thank you for the follow. Oh, nice. We've got another person over in the YouTube chat from TikTok. Let's go. 1 hour time frame. What time is news? So we have ADP. What is it? We have ADP. Oh, where's it gone? It's over here. We have ADP non-farm employment change coming up in 5 minutes. Got a little countdown here. That's cool. That's a new feature that they've added. So ADP non-farm employment change coming up in 5 minutes. Oh, 1 hour time frame. Yes, someone asked for the 1 hour time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame. A lot of rejections to the downside right now. 1 hour time frame just looks like creating some beautiful market structure, right? Higher highs, higher lows, potential higher low right here to continue bullish maybe. Let's see. Yeah, so he was like, yeah, you're not being #1 gifter. I'm getting in that bitch. Sohail is now the #1 gifter. You've been demoted to #2. Alexander, thank you for the follow. Matera, thank you for the follow. If it goes up, I'm taking my life. Yo, I love man, chill, bro. Vikas, thank you for the follow. I love the advices you're giving. I appreciate that. So I appreciate that, man. Yeah, waiting for news to hit now. So we got 5 minutes until news drops. At this point, we just wait for news now. What's this? Lupus. Whoever asked about 1% per day, 1% profit per day on 10k cap was over 3,000 in a year. Yeah. And of course that applies to, you know, all much large capital as well. Like 1% in general, if you're not going to find much things in life that can make you a guaranteed 1% per day. Well, you can't even guarantee that with trading anyway, but you know, 1% profit a day is, if that can be done, which, you know, we can't, obviously it's good. Harami sent hand hearts. Let's go. Yo, that's 100 diamonds. What the? Yo. Harami, you are crazy, my guy. Appreciate you, man. Harami just coming in here randomly dropping 100 diamonds. 3 minutes left. Yep. Coming up. It's coming up. What's up, Harami? You are now the #1. You've definitely overtaken everyone, bro. Holy shit. Appreciate you, my guy. When news breaks, it better to buy or sell straight away, depending on news. No, I would wait. 100% wait. Cody, pray for me. What chart is it? This is XAUUSD. Have you considered mentorship? Yeah. Enjoying your stream? Appreciate you, Harami. Appreciate you, man. I'm glad you're enjoying the stream. Let's see what happens here. Push to 7.7. 2277, you think? How long have you been trading for? 7 years. Cody, sell now. I'm in a trade. This shit moving so sloppy. Yeah. Well, Felix, we got news here in literally 1 minute, 20 seconds. So there's potential for price to you know, start moving at this point, depending on the data, of course. 2277 is looking there. Yeah, 2277. Okay, you think it's gonna go 27? How do you traders create exact numbers, like how you throw a random number like 77? So it's just on the chart here, preaching wealth. So you can see over here it says 2277. That's what he's referring to, this level right here, 2277. You don't think mentorship is a priority? Yeah, it's not. It definitely takes up a hell of a lot of time and commitment. I've got sales set up 2282 and 2286. Okay, 2282, 2286. That's where you're looking for sales from. All right, 17 seconds, guys. Let's see. Let's see what happens. $17. Oh, 7. Let's see if we get a reaction. There we go. There we go. Getting a push to the downside. Let's see if it can finally break this level. 2267715. Volume at 129k. I don't know if I do it right. My portfolio is red for weeks now. What strategy are you using, Natty? I might be him. You might be. We can only really consider if this is if the data has come into effect if we really start to break out of this consolidation, because we've seen high volume candles over here, we've seen high volume candles here, we've seen high volume candles here, we've seen high volume candles over here and here, but nothing happened. It didn't go anywhere. It's still consolidated. So this candle can still reject and close, you know, still within this range. So we'd want to see, you know, we definitely want to start to see a breakout here to the upside or to the downside. Otherwise, it's just going to continue to consolidate. I might close. I'm up 2k. I was up 800. I'm scared. What about news? Yeah, we're literally looking at news right here. Let's have a look. Let's see how those numbers came out. It says pending. Let me try to refresh. So 184k, right? So yeah, good news, positive news for the US dollar by a hell of a lot. It was predicted, it was forecasted 148k, and it came out at 184k. So that is very positive news for the US dollar, which is why you're seeing gold spike down here. Anitan, RP thoughts. Thank you guys for the follows. Did you sell? No, I didn't sell. Should we sell? I mean, there's not really much of a sell entry right now. For me personally, there's no sell entries in here. The only sells that I'd potentially look at is below this level. But obviously, you know, price isn't coming down there at this point. Big rejection. So again, you know, price could just close back in this range, still consolidate, still just move sideways. So although we did have news and it did create a lot of volume, it hasn't created direction or momentum. So I think it's bouncing off a demand. 420, thank you for the follow. Rejected and retraced. Yep. Have you entered any position? No, I haven't entered any position. Gold is a 24-hour tradable commodity, right? Yeah. 24-hour, 5 days a week, Lupus. Obviously closed on the weekends. Where do you check the news? I use Forex Factory. Forex Factory. I really like Forex Factory. Where do you get your news from? What site? Yeah, Forex Factory. Forex Factory. Definitely sell, my friend. A lot of people will be liquidated very soon. Okay. Well, my bias for this mid London pre New York session was sells. What can you type? What do you mean? Type what? What do you want me to type? Jago, thank you for the follows. Do. Still waiting for a breakout, yeah. You're using news? No, I'm not using news. Forex Factory, yeah, Forex Factory. A copywriter? No, I trade pre-London session SIB. Pre-London to London Open. Yeah, that's Forex Factory, Jan. Forex Factory. Yeah. Do you trade Euro USD? No, I trade gold and occasionally GJ. What do you mean pre-London? So pre-London is 2 hours before London session opens. Yeah, so usually during pre-London session, you'll get volume starts coming to the market in anticipation for London session open. And the same with, you know, New York and like pre-New York and New York Open. You trade live? Yeah. Trade live. Doesn't want to break that level? Yeah, I know. These are the God levels, the grind, man. God levels that I have plotted right here. This is holding up all of the weight of gold right now, this level. It's like a boat. It's like a ship. What about me in Oz, Jane? What do you mean, Jane? What about you in Oz? There we go. That level has just been hit. What's my RR? I'm not actually in any trade right now. Thank God I have. Let's go. Let's go, man. I'm not going to say your whole name anymore. Shall I go for a buy? I mean, if your analysis says so, then yeah. What time frame are you on? This is the 5-minute time frame. I can do this. You can do this, Jane. You can do this. I'm in Australia, Jane, so I'm from the UK, but I'm in Australia. Yeah. It's like people see like, oh my god, look, a big move down, even though this is the 5-minute time frame, it's not a big move down. And they go, oh, it has to come back up at some point. But that isn't always the case. Sorry guys, just had to take care of something quickly. See, there we go. Rejection of that level. I told you, this is the God levels right now. The God levels. All right. Sorted that out. Sorry guys, just had to quickly do something. There we go. The continuation below this level. This is what I was anticipating the whole time. And all you guys were in here saying it's a buy, it's a buy, it's a buy, which, you know, price did continue bullish for a little bit. I was just focused on my strategy and my game plan. And that was sales below this level. No, I didn't take these sales because news dropped. And like I said, I don't like trading during news. Price can be very unpredictable. But, you know, I anticipated, and you know, the move came in the end. I might still buy from some 63 zone. Which news was that? This was ADP employment, non-farm employment change. Is gold a beginner friendly to trade? Yeah, I would say so. 4K going down the drain. Privacy, what happened, bro? What happened, man? Yeah, bro, I have it like you turn there and it's really be interested. Sweet, we shall talk soon. See you later, Jane. Buy zone. This was the zone that I was looking for a breakout of. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen though. I know, bro. I told you, man. They're the God levels. God levels. God himself is literally holding this up right now. Look. You hesitated the trade? What do you mean you hesitated the trade? You're gonna move your stop loss. Moving your stops to break even. Creative, yeah. Very creative of me. I took a trade when it went down and closed it too soon. Okay. It happens. Make sure you learn from your mistakes. Guys, why do you want to buy or sell right now? Be patient. I agree, Lawrence. Thank you. Somebody with some sense. JK, so you lost, but look what happened. Like exactly like you said. It's gonna come down, stop you out, and then reverse. Classic. Which one are you trading? This is gold. Mikhail Aiden. Gold. Goldilocks. James in shorts. Gold up and down like a yo-yo, yeah. Back to 2174 rejection, then ding 2174. Mario, thank you for the follow. They've been known to pump liquidity around, yeah. But we're definitely into New York session now. Where do you see this going? To be honest with you, I have no idea. But whenever you have things like this that are unpredictable, like news, price can be a little bit obviously unpredictable for a little while once the news is coming out into the market. So yeah, this is why I just do not trade news events at all. How much have I earned in total, or what? Took a massive loss this morning. What happened, Jay? In total? Oh, I don't even know in total. Thousands. 77. You called it. You called it, Harami. You did call it. I'm trying to be greedy because I'm blowing plenty of accounts, but now I'm complacent. Yo, Harami, there's just no way, bro. Harami, there's just no way, bro. Another 100 diamonds. My brother. You're crazy, man. How long did it take to earn 1,000? Couple years? Few years? That's because at first, when you're first learning, you actually lose most of the time, right? You lose most of your money. That is the natural process of learning trading, unless you learn with somebody one-on-one in person, and they take you from start to finish. But most people in their first year or two will lose money. So yeah, to make 1,000, it took a couple years, and then after that, it comes if you know what you're doing, and you have good psychology and good mentality towards trading, and you have discipline, patience, you're not impulsive, then the next 1,000 and the next 1,000 and the next 1,000 comes pretty quickly. Felix, thank you for the follow. Nguyen, thank you for the follow. Sushi, thank you for the follow. HS, thank you for the follow. Trade Ideas, Ninja Turtle, D How, thank you for the follow. DJ Dirty E, thank you for the follow. AMZ, thank you for the follow. Why are you doing funding accounts with only a week of trading experience? Yeah. 98% of retail traders lose money, exactly. That they do, my brother, that they do. Arami send he's sending more. He's going crazy. He's going crazy. Arami, you're nuts, bro. You are nuts. You're definitely the #1 gifter in the TikTok chat. Mark Douglas Trading Zone for anyone who wants to read. Yeah, that is good. That is good. I vouch. I think after a few months of trading demo, you know, it's 100% fine to load up a live account with say $50 to $100. But definitely trading demo at first to understand what, you know, stop loss is a take profit, a buy stop, a sell stop, market execution, knowing your way around, you know, those things within the first couple of months is crucial. And then after that, you know, I would recommend going into a live account. Like I said, even if it's $20, $50, $100, so at least then you can get used to trading real money and understand all the emotions that come with that, because there is a lot. I'm back. Let's go Roblox. Alien, thank you for the follow. Have you used pocket option for quick trading before? Pocket option? No, I haven't. I'm guessing it'll be similar to MT5 where you can just enter it on your phone, because I can enter trades and you know, manage them on my phone on the go. Need a rejection from the 2277. Jay, thank you for the follow. Alexa, thank you for the follow. Oh, Alexa, imagine, like, you best not have an Alexa in your house. Like, I probably just activated my Alexa by reading your name out. Alexa goes crazy. Oh man, I've been sitting down for 3.5 hours. Holy. My legs. Bum, 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 bum. Do you trade BRC? Do you mean BTC? Three hours and no trade yet. This is very normal, Chris. Like I said, if I wasn't streaming, I would not be sitting here watching the charts like this. I would have my alerts set. And I would come back to my computer when my alert gets triggered. But because I'm streaming here with you guys, I'm having a good chat. You know, I don't mind sitting here and watching them. I'm watching your trading view instead of mine. Patience always wins. I agree. K13 Traders, thank you for the follow. Yo, I haven't sat down for this long in a very long time. I've learned several accounts. I've created lots of resistance levels. Yeah. Bogdan, thank you for the follow. Kid J, thank you for the follow. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out. I appreciate you guys, man. Like, I really want to stay here with you guys and chat and wait for this setup, but it is taking forever. My legs hurt. My back hurts for sitting down for this long. I'm tired. It's like almost 12 a.m. in the morning. But yeah, I'll be live tomorrow. Oh, my bad, Zeb. Bro, I need to sleep, man. I've been waiting so long for this setup. My eyes are hurting. I'm fucking sick. I just want to jump in bed, man. I'm from Melbourne, originally from the UK, but living in Melbourne. But I'll be live tomorrow, guys. I'll let you guys know in the Discord as well now, and the Telegram. But yo, Sohail, thank you so much for all the love, man. And Harami, I appreciate you guys. You guys went crazy today. Nicholas Gomez, MFK, of course, Haydar. You guys went crazy. But I'll be live tomorrow. Hopefully we can catch this up tomorrow. See you later, Roblox. Appreciate you guys, man. What platform do I use? This is TradingView. Thank you for all the follows. Thank you for all the love. TikTok went insane today. And again, I'll be live tomorrow on TikTok and YouTube. Yeah, let's see what happens. Kind of inbox, we can trade together. Yeah, for sure, man. See you later, preaching. My guys, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you so much. I'll be live tomorrow. Same time, same place. Peace.